Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my Halloween home tour. Now, this year, with my move and everything, I decided to not buy any new decorations, so I haven't purchased anything at Target or, my usual hot spots. And it felt really good to just get my one Halloween and fall bin out and put everything out and make do with what I had. I did pick up a couple of pumpkins from a farm stand in a video I shared last week. So it's not going to be a very long tour, but I really hope that you enjoy it. I had a lot of fun putting everything together and just kind of taking advantage of this cool old house that I now live in. I swear, he just wants to be involved. guys, thank you so much for watching my Halloween home tour, even if it was just a mini one. If you want more day in the life, behind the scenes fun stuff, follow me over on Instagram at Colorful Megan. I'm also on TikTok now at Colorful Megan, same thing on there, and I've been having a lot of fun doing that. So if you want to join over, make sure that you go follow me there and say hi on Instagram and TikTok. I would really love it. Also, if you have a Halloween home tour or if you showcase your home on your YouTube channel, leave a comment below so I can check it out, because I've really been enjoying seeing what everyone is doing this season. It's a different year, it's a different, we're all just doing the best we can, and I really want to see what you've done. So please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.